Hi, Roger here again. Welcome back to my channel. The question is MacBook or Windows laptop. So, you are a new DJ, you're starting off in the business and you're wondering what should you go out and purchase. Now, that is what I'm going to seek to answer in this video. So please watch through until the end. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and to hit that subscription button. Alright, let us jump right into the video. So the first point I want to speak on is the sound card. Now for the Windows laptop, what you'll find is that out of the box, the sound card will not necessarily be the best. Yes, and so what you'll find is that often you have to go out and buy some add-on device to give you that added sound quality. With the MacBook on the other hand, out of the box, you're gonna get the best of the best. Yes. Alright. The second point is having to do with lifespan. So how long really do these two units last? And again, let me begin with the Windows laptop. Now for the Windows laptop, on average it will run you about 4 to 5 years thereabout in terms of its lifespan. For the MacBook, it can last you a pretty good amount of years, even more than you know how long your Windows laptop will last you. Let me add too that where the Windows laptop is concerned, ever so often as even new application, new apps, new software are released, you'll find that you may have to go ahead and do some upgrades. You have to probably do like a memory upgrade. Alright? Whereas with the MacBook, yeah, it can still run. Even your older MacBooks, you'll find that they'll still be able to run and run pretty good also new apps. Alright? So with your older MacBook, you'll find that it will run pretty good a newer version of Serato. With your laptop, you will not necessarily get that. Alright, let me add too that in terms of the system architecture, where Windows is concerned, where the Windows laptop is concerned, how by nature how Windows work is that when you start your Windows laptop, it essentially loads everything, all the resources, even those that are not needed at a particular time. It loads everything into memory, into RAM, and that is one of the things that creates somewhat of a bottleneck. So you switch on the machine, and as I mentioned, it loads all resources at once into RAM. You are doing some memory intensive tasks, so you're running Serato, and in the background you have apps running that you don't need, and so that will compromise the performance of your system. With the MacBook on the other hand, you do not find that. It only loads into RAM, into memory, those resources that are needed at a particular time. Alright, so in terms of system performance, yes, the MacBook will give you better performance than you'll get with the Windows laptop. And finally, as it relates to let me put on my glasses here so I can see my notes. Alright, so as it relates to crashes, what you'll find is that the Windows laptop will be more susceptible to crashes and viruses than you'll find with your MacBook. Yes. Alright, so your MacBook is pretty much far more stable and less susceptible to virus infestation than what you'll experience with your Windows laptop. Alright, so there you have it. So without a doubt, based on what I would have just said, you would have guessed by now that yes, if you're going to be purchasing, if you have to make the choice between the two, I would say go with a MacBook. Alright, because there are more pluses to going with the lap with the with the MacBook than going with a Windows laptop. Now I should say too that the MacBook tends to be more pricey, but in the long run you'll get value for money. All right, so I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, and if you have not yet, please go ahead, hit that subscription button, and also hit that like button, and share the video if you got value from the video as I mentioned. Share the video with others so that they can also benefit from its content and other videos too that you would have watched. I'm Roger again. Take care.